weather.
So I know I shouldn't complain, it is January, but just a day above freezing would be nice, wouldn't it?
Wouldn't it be so nice? I'm so unmotivated to do a lot of things, especially like my outdoor chores, taking out my trash, whatnot, cleaning up my car. Been very, very lazy because of the cold weather. But
I can't blame you.
I know. The good news is we will be getting above freezing this week, finally. And if you feel like it's been forever, well, it has been several days since we've seen temperatures above freezing. In fact, since Wednesday, our daytime highs have been well below 32 degrees. Today's high officially was at 21. Now, thankfully, heading into tomorrow, we'll see a high just at freezing during the day, and then even watching temperatures climb up late on Monday night, right around midnight, will be the actual high of the day. And that's not all. We'll see above freezing temperatures continuing into Tuesday and Wednesday with some warm air coming in from the south. As of right now, though, still feels pretty cold outside. We're sitting in the upper teens here around the Quad Cities. A nice wind coming from the south is helping to bring in some warmer air. It's too bad that warmer air doesn't actually feel warm. It feels more like the single digits right now. But temperature-wise, most of us are in the upper teens, 17 in Clinton, also 17 in DeWitt right now. Even the 20s around Tipton and Muscatine, 21 right now is the official temperature in Muscatine. As we head into the overnight hours, temperatures not really going to drop. In fact, they could even rise a little bit right around midnight, and then eventually by the early morning hours, getting into the upper teens once again. That's a lot better considering that this morning we had lows below zero. So a big improvement. However, not going to feel that warm. We still have a wind coming from the south heading into Monday morning. That's going to make it feel more like the single digits. Now the good news is eventually once we get into the afternoon, we will see temperatures right around freezing. We do have some cloud cover out there at the moment that's helping to keep temperatures steady. Maybe a few flurries in the mix, but I highly doubt many of those are reaching the ground. We're going to watch this warm front swing through late tonight, very weak front, and with that, we're not going to see those temperatures drop. Heading into our Monday, things will remain fairly dry. Could see, though, a few flurries or light snow showers, mainly to the north of Highway 30. Those will be very short-lived. We will see, though, some wet weather returning by Tuesday. Now, this is stopped early on Tuesday morning where we could see some of that wintry mix or maybe some drizzle happening around the Quad Cities. Once we get into the afternoon, though, this will all change to plain old rain because temperatures will actually be getting into the 40s, believe it or not, on Tuesday afternoon. And that will be the warmest day of the week. So we don't have to deal with temperatures like these for too much longer. This will be the last night where we'll see those below freeze, or not below freezing, but those lows very, very cold. We'll dip down into the upper teens. Temperatures generally will stay pretty steady throughout the overnight hours. As for tomorrow, your daytime high will be right around freezing, expecting more cloud cover than sun. Actually, though, the technical high of the day will happen right around midnight with a high right around 37. As we head into Tuesday, that will be the warmest day of the week. We'll hit a high right around 45. Staying fairly warm on Wednesday, relatively warm that is, will be above freezing with a high of 39. And then looking ahead, we do have a few snow chances in the forecast. Still too early to pinpoint those details, but we'll keep you posted on that.
All right, sounds good. Thank you, Taylor.
Thanks.
Still ahead on News 8, turning off the tube.